What's good, YouTube? I'm back with another video. I'm actually on my way just to get some food real quick, you know. I'm like, might as well just put the camera on, try to do a little video, you know. So that's it. About to see what we can do. Get a little video. Got the Jakes right here, the cops. They always, what? Oh, they got him. So yeah, this is gonna be maybe just a nice little POV night drive, you know. Nothing crazy. If we can get some pulls in, that would be good. But this video probably gonna be like mad short, so let's see. Love the sound of this exhaust. Maybe let's see if we can get a little pull in. Yo, this fucking car moves. Ooh wee. Yeah. Yup, got my adrenaline pumping. Yo, I love this damn car, yo. The damn turbo just kicks up and just go like. Let's see. Damn Tesla. Downshift. Fourth gear. Let's see. This car moves downshift. Nope. Oh yeah. TSX. We moving right now. Ooh, that turbo sounds good, yo. Moving, yo. This car's like fun, like I said, you know. Like if I gotta like get away from somebody, man, I'm outside, I'm out. You really just gotta know how to drive, because trust me, you don't need like a lot of horsepower to have fun, neither. We're gonna keep this video rolling. Put the heat on. It's kind of cold. This is why it's good to have a daily. You got heat. Everything works in this car. And my other car too as well. Everything works. Heat, AC. So, but that car, but you know we about to go crazy, so yeah. Put the windows down, see if we can get some little exhaust shots. Oh man. So yeah, this is just gonna be like a nice little, you know, night POV drive. Nothing crazy. That man ran that light. Car sounds so good. So yeah, just chilling today, you know. Just chilling. That's a what? That's a Civic hatchback. So yeah, we outside, you know, about to get some food. Let's go. I would do a nice little pull up this hill, but it's mad bumpy. Woo-wee, we outside. Yeah, that was a nice pull. That was a nice little pull, y'all. That car, I gotta slow down because there's a big ass pothole. Let me relax. Aye. Downshift? Oh yeah. Let's go. Love this damn car. Moves out. 1.5 liter, yo. This is a 1.5 liter. Just moving like this. Can't get enough. I can only imagine when I tune this car. It's gonna be lit. Alright, so we about to be at the food spot, so on the way back, when I'm leaving, I'm probably turning the camera back on. Safety. Alright, back at it. Just got the food. That was a nice pull. Damn roads is terrible. So yeah, about to go to the crib, or my girl crib right now. Nice little POV. Night drive. Gotta drive good around these roads and shit, cause be stranded out here waiting for a damn tow truck. Cause roads out here ain't good. I'll do a second gear pull. Let's see. Second gear pull right now. Feels good, feels good. Okay. So I'm glad I picked the camera up and decided to make a little video, because that's the thing with me. Sometimes I really just like forget to grab the camera and just go. You know, I just sometimes forget the camera, then I see a Evo or some crazy ass car or a Lambo or something, and I can't even record it because I don't got the camera. So I try my best to keep the camera on me now. So yeah, I definitely gonna get more videos. Let's see if we can get a second gear pull. See if we can hear this turbo. Watch out, make sure there ain't no cops. Let's see. Whoo! Heard that? I heard that turbo. Definitely. And I'm actually trying to work on, you know, my cussing and stuff like that. I cuss a lot in these videos. I need to stop. I need to stop. Oh wow, I think I'm gonna have a good, I can make a good pull. Maybe I can do a nice little second gear pull right now after this light. See, you can just beat on the car, beat on the car, beat on the car. The car is great. The car likes that. It likes to be beat on. So that's why you should get a Honda. You can do stuff like this. Woo-wee. That was a nice pull. Nice. Go down this hill, act like a regular civilian. Car wash. Wow, I saw a nice ass Beamer just now. It's nice. Wow, I also like this car, like, it's not that loud. When I want it to be loud, it will get loud, you know? But right now, we chilling. What we in? Third gear, downshift. Be a lot of cops over here. Gotta make it home to my destination, you know? It's like a damn mission and stuff. So y'all should really like these videos. Like and subscribe, because I'm risking my life and my freedom for y'all. Well, I choose to do these videos, but you get the point. You get the point. I actually like these videos because I know I'm actually speaking to people, because I'm not just talking to myself and stuff like that. I only got like what, 49 subscribers, but hey, it's better than 0. I want to do a pull, but that looked like a cop behind me. So them damn Ford Explorers, yo. Damn Ford Explorers, I don't like them, because come on, yo. Do that, bro. That's why I gotta drive crazy, cause just to get away from y'all dumbass people. Like shit, yo. Hard pull. Oh yeah, we're moving. And the car just stay on the ground, like planted, very well planted, downshift. Like, I don't suggest, you know, driving a car hard if you don't know what it's capable of and know what it's gonna do. You should know what your car gonna do. That's why I drive my car like that. I know what it's gonna do. For y'all non-drivers, don't be like me. Tell you that much. But I'm gonna cut this video off, you know. I'm gonna see y'all soon. Feel me? Like and subscribe.